In this video, I will show you the best DNS server for gaming. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now there's actually two DNS servers I would recommend as the best for gaming, and to change this, what you want to do from your desktop is first of all come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. Now once your settings window is opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side, and on here you want to click onto network and internet. Once you're on your network and internet section, what you want to do is select either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending on how you're currently connected to the internet. For myself, that's Wi-Fi, so I'm just going to click onto Wi-Fi. And once you've done that, what you need to do is select the Wi-Fi network that you're connected to from this screen here. So you can see my one is here, so I'm going to give it a click to go into the Wi-Fi properties. What you want to do now is just scroll down a bit on this section until you come down to where it says about DNS server assignment. So you can see mine's currently set to automatic. Now at this point, click onto edit, and what you want to do is change this from automatic to manual and then turn on IPv4, so this one here. Now at this point it's going to ask you to enter the DNS server that you want to use. Now I've actually got two that I would personally recommend, which are just in this document here. So the two I would recommend is either Cloudflare or Google Public DNS. Now, Cloudflare is probably the better one, as what it does is often, as you can see, considered the fastest one, and it does provide ultra low latency and quick query responses. But you've also got the Google Public DNS, which is again a highly reliable DNS server, and it's very stable across various regions, which is good for global play. Now, to go ahead and change to any of these DNS servers, let's take, for example, Cloudflare. You can see we've got two DNS servers. So we've got 1.1.1.1, and we've got 1.0.0.1. The top numbers are your preferred DNS, so what you can do is just enter this into the preferred DNS window just over here, and then you've got the alternative DNS, which is going to be the sequence of numbers underneath. So in this case that is 1.0.0.1. What we're going to do again is copy and paste this into here, and once that's done just click save at the bottom. So you can see now that's been assigned. If we come down you can see the DNS server assignment. Before we were saying automatic, but it's now saying manual, and we've got our servers set up here ready to go. Now there are some other DNS servers out there, but in my opinion these are the two top ones, especially for gaming, given the reasons. So I would recommend using any of these for gaming, and that is the best DNS server for gaming. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.